You're welcome once again to iTech, and thank you for choosing this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you'll be able to register for the online admission for SHS student. Okay, so this is the official website of the online admission portal, that is my SHS admission.com. Now this is the platform, and the moment you click on this website, you see, please note, the use of this platform is merely an additional option for finishing your admission process. It does not replace the manual admission procedure. What this means is that you may opt to go to the school in person and complete your admission process. Again, not all schools have signed up for these services, so you have to take note of that. You can also go to the school to complete the manual registration, but if the place is too far, you can just do the online registration, and what you have to do is to just print it out. Now let me take you through how this website is all about. So welcome to SHS online admission. Okay, now if you move here, you will see, click here to read the document. You can read about this information. You can also watch video on this. Now select your school. So schools are alphabetically sorted, so just click here to select your school. So as you can see here, there are a lot of schools here. I don't want to mention any school here, but you see there are a lot of schools. Not all the schools have signed on this platform, but you can see most of these schools are here, so you can choose your school from this list. Okay, now after selecting your school, now let's read what is here. If your school is not listed, please visit your school premises for the admission process. So but if you find your school here, you can just do your admission at home, print it out and submit it on Monday. So you can also seek for assistance if you need any assistance. Contact your school system administrator, so you can also contact. So let me show you how. Let's say I'll pick this first school here, and let's see what it's all about. So after picking the first school, these are the requirements here. Very important notice: please ensure that you have printed your CSSPS placement form, your enrollment code, which can be found on your placement form and would be required. So and then admission instruction. So kindly use your JHS index number to log into the system. So enter your BECE index number followed by the year. So all what you have to do here is to just enter your BECE index number. This is the example that they have given. Then you add the year of the examination, that is so 2003, and after that all what you have to do is to just click on login, and then it will take you to the admission portal for you to continue with your admission. Okay, so parents, you can take this advantage, and then you just register online and you submit your form on Monday. Thank you for watching this video. See you.